Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can backup and restore your WordPress website. So the backup is a copy of your website at a certain date and time on the server. So if you were not happy with your new changes or your website crashed because of the new updates, you can restore your website back to the time that you took the backup and your website will be up and running again. So this is a website that I have created in one of my videos, and now I will show you how you can take a backup of this website with one free plugin. So in order to take a backup, go to the dashboard, go over to plugins, and click on add new. In this new page, search for backup. And you can see this plugin called Updraft is the #1 plugin with 3 million active users. So click on install and activate. You can see the plugin is installed. We can now take the backup. In order to take a backup, click on settings, click on this backup now button, and make sure these two checkboxes are checked to back up your database and your files. And if you only want to delete it manually, you can check this box as well. But for now, we only check these two boxes. Click on backup now button. So the backup is now running and it should take only a few seconds. And it's now finished. To see the backup, scroll down a little bit and you can see it right here. So when it comes to backups, you don't want to do it all the time manually. So you better take the backups automatically. In order to schedule your automatic backup, scroll up a little bit and click on the settings tab. Here, you can set how often you want to take the backup of your files and your database and how long you want to keep them. So it depends on how often you make changes to your website. If you are constantly changing it on a daily basis, you can go with a daily. But if you're not changing it regularly, you can go with a weekly. So I'll probably go with a weekly for files and weekly for the database. And you can keep them for 2 weeks or 4 weeks or 2 months. But I think 4 weeks is enough for both of them. Now we can choose where to store all the backups. And out of all those options, I think Dropbox and Google Drive are the best options. I go with Google Drive for now. Click on Google Drive and scroll down. And now click on Save Changes. So when you click on Save, Updraft asks you to authorize access to Google Drive so your backups will be saved on Google. So click on this link and it asks you to sign into your Google account. So sign into one of your accounts if you have multiple like me. Then click on Allow. And that will take you to this page. Go ahead and click on Complete Setup to finish the process. So your Google account is now linked to Updraft, which means your backups will be saved on your Google Drive now. Now, if we go to the Google Drive, you can see this folder is added. Okay, it's called Updraft Plus. And once you open it, you have 5 files for every backup. Okay, and these 5 files include uploads, themes, plugins, others, and one more file. Okay, so you got 5 files for every backup. So we're not going to change any of this file. Don't touch it. Don't delete it. Don't rename it. Okay, and just leave it as it is. Let's go back to our backup files. So in order to restore, I'm going to do 2 scenarios. One, I'm going to delete a page and restore it, and then I'm going to reset the whole website, and then I'll show you how to restore that as well. So let me just delete one page and then restore and see how it goes. So let's go to the pages, and now let me delete the home page. Okay, let me just open it up again so you can see the home page is gone. In order to restore, it's pretty easy. Just go back to the updraft and click on restore. You select this and restore. And we're going to select all of them: plugins, themes, uploads, others, and database. Next. So as you can see, it's restoring the backup files. Now click on restore. And it successfully restored our website. And if we go back to our website and refresh it, boom, you can see the home page is back again. So this was the easy restore, right? Now let me reset the whole WordPress website and then restore it again. If you don't know how to reset the WordPress website, I'll show you how to do it in the next video. Also leave a link in the description below where you can watch the video on how to reset your WordPress website. So let me go ahead and reset the website and see how we can restore it back again. And now you can see our website is now reset back to its default. And if you go to the pages, you can see there is nothing, almost nothing in it, right? It's all gone. And this is how our website actually looks now. Let me refresh the page and this is how it looks. It's completely gone. And now I'm going to show you how you can reset this website back again. In order to restore this website, we already have the files in our Google Drive. So once you go to Google Drive, you can see we have our backup files, right? So let me go back to the dashboard and then go to the plugins, add new, now search for backup and click on updraft. Yeah, I think we already have it, so I'll just activate it. And now go to settings. Close this. So now go back to the settings tab and we can set this as well again. Weekly, 4. Scroll down a little bit. Click on Google Drive. Scroll down. Click on Save Changes. And now click on this link again to link it back again to your Google Drive. Log into your account that you already set in your previous backup. Click on Allow. And now click on Complete Setup. And now once you're here, scroll down, click on Refresh, and click on Scan Remote Storage. Okay? And you can see that it can now find the backup that we took a couple of minutes ago. So let's go ahead and click on Restore. Click on Plugins, Themes, Upload, Others, Database. Next. So you can see it started restoring all the files back again. If you reset your website completely like what I did, you may get this warning, which is fine. Now, click on Restore. And now you may get this error, okay? So don't freak out, that's fine. And now click on Delete All Directories. And once you're here, return to the configuration again. And scroll down one more time. Restore again. Next. And restore one more time. And this time you won't get any error. So you can see it successfully restored our website. And now if we go back to our website one more time and refresh the page, that's it. We have our website up and running again. So we have our website back again after completely deleting and resetting the whole website. And yeah, it looks good. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do your backup and how you back up your WordPress website and how you restore it back again. And if you want to know how you can reset your website, make sure to check out the next video. And if you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and tap the little bell. See you in the next video.